more controversial lunar sodium glucose silicon phosphorus sulfur argon calcium calcium scandium titanium ammonium chromium manganese iron copper nickel copper zinc iron germanium arsenic selenium bromide krypton rubidium strontium lithium zirconium niobium molybdenum technetium plutonium rhodium palladium silver cadmium indium tin antimony tellurium iodine xenon cesium barium lanthanum cerium praseodymium neodymium promethium samarium europium gallium thorium dysprosium aluminum mercury gallium titanium lutetium hafnium platinum tungsten xenium osmium iridium platinum gold mercury thallium lead lithium polonium argon radium francium radium actinium thorium platinum uranium neptunium plutonium iodine uranium berkelium plasmonium tungstenium fermium beryllium nobelium lawrencium rhodosium dubnium borium hasmium titanium dulcinium rontium carbonatium nihonium plutonium moscovium livotium tennessine argon. Thank you. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, ammonium, chromium, manganese, iron, copper, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine, xenon, cesium, barium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, mercury, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, thallium, lead, bismuth, polonium, acetine, radon, francium, radium, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium, rhodosium, dubnium, borium, hasmium, titanium, tungstenium, bronzenium, carbonatium, nihonium, flavonium, moscovium, livobium, tennessine argon. Thank you. I'm very happy and excited. I would like to thank my parents, my grandparents, my family and for constant encouragement and support throughout this journey. And I would also like to thank Kalams WORLDRECORD. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Consider subscribe our channel Kalams World Records and click the bell icon. Like, comment down and share.